Keep going. Put more on there. There. Hold it up like this. Here, you do it. Shake it. Should have waited to give it back. So after we were done with this. Alright, now what?
Yellow.
Yellow. What are we doing yellow?
Yeah, yellow.
What? That present?
Yeah, pencil.
He's a little burnt.
That's right. Hey, over here. I'm over here. I'm helping mommy.
You helping mommy decorate cookies?
Yeah, we're good.
We're good.
Spend
Okay. Now what color?
a
You want those?
Yeah, I guess.
Alright, be careful on those. Wrong cookie, honey. It's okay. Okay, now what cookie?
The bill.
Green?
Yeah, green.
Okay. What one we doing?
That.
I know, but what cookie?
This one.
Candy cane?
Green.
Okay.
Huh?
Alright.
All right.
Squeeze.
Squeeze.
No, you squeeze it.
No, you squeeze it.
You're funny.
You're funny.
Okay. Put your sprinkles on.
Two.
What? You want those again? Let's go with the. You want to go red?
Want to go red? Okay.
Okay. Here, you put them on. Shake it. On the cookie. Up here. Don't forget to up there.